Welcome to Agri Gadget Picks. Discover how to keep your garden clean and healthy with ease. The best garden tool to remove weeds helps you tackle unwanted plants effortlessly, saving time and energy while maintaining the beauty and health of your outdoor space year-round. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. TaskStar 21V Weed Garden Tool. The TaskStar 21V Weed Garden Tool is designed to transform the tedious chore of hand weeding into a fast, effortless experience. With its advanced stainless steel claws, it effectively grips and removes weeds from the roots, ensuring your garden stays clean and free of regrowth. Its 4-second weed removal capability is powered by a highly efficient motor, letting you eliminate hundreds of weeds in a fraction of the time traditional methods take. The stand-up design allows you to maintain an upright posture while working, making it especially beneficial for seniors or anyone with back or knee issues. Safety is also a key feature, thanks to its dual safety switch that prevents accidental activation. Combining power, precision, and ergonomic comfort, the TaskStar 21V Weed Garden Tool stands out as an innovative and dependable solution for gardeners who value efficiency and ease. Number 2. Seesii 20,000 RPM Weed Garden Tool. The Seesii 20,000 RPM Weed Garden Tool brings a new level of performance to garden maintenance, boasting a 300% increase in efficiency over traditional weeding tools. This advanced electric puller requires no assembly and allows you to remove weeds while standing, eliminating the discomfort of bending or kneeling. Its intelligent 3-claw design provides exceptional root removal, ensuring that weeds are extracted completely and preventing regrowth. The smooth eject mechanism makes disposal effortless, saving time and effort on repetitive tasks. Built with ergonomic consideration, the T-handle design offers superior control and comfort during prolonged use. The Seesii 20,000 RPM Weed Garden Tool combines human-centric engineering with robust functionality, giving homeowners an efficient and comfortable way to achieve a pristine garden without the usual strain or hassle. Number 3. HWLANTU Lightweight Weed Garden Tool. The HWL Lightweight Weed Garden Tool is a versatile 3-in-1 electric weed whacker designed to simplify all your lawn maintenance needs. Featuring upgraded wheels, high-strength blades, and larger capacity batteries, it performs multiple functions including trimming, edging, and mowing without the limitation of wires. It includes 3 types of blades: nylon for soft grass, S-blades for thicker weeds, and saw blades for branches, offering flexibility for various gardening tasks. The adjustable telescopic handle extends from 40 to 54 inches, allowing users to customize comfort and reach. Its 90-degree rotating head easily transitions between trimming and edging, making it efficient for working around fences, flower beds, and walkways. Built for convenience and performance, this cordless garden tool is lightweight yet powerful, making weeding and trimming feel effortless. Backed by 24-hour online customer support, the HWL Weed Trimmer provides excellent functionality, durability, and after-sales assurance for every gardener. Number 4. TREXEEN 21V Weed Garden Tool. The TREXEEN 21V Weed Garden Tool offers a smart and powerful solution for effortless weeding. Engineered with a robust 21V motor and spiral extraction technology, it removes weeds from depths of up to 6 inches, significantly reducing regrowth by 85% compared to surface-level trimming. Its stainless steel claws ensure thorough root removal for a clean, well-kept garden. Designed for comfort, this stand-up weeder accommodates users from 5 foot to 6'4", eliminating the need for bending or kneeling. An excellent choice for seniors or anyone with mobility issues. Built to last and easy to operate, it combines power, efficiency, and ergonomic design into one practical gardening tool.
The TREXEEN 21V Weed Garden Tool redefines convenience, allowing you to maintain a beautiful lawn with minimal physical effort and maximum results.
Number 5. Gardtech 45-inch Weed Garden Tool. The Gardtech 45-inch Weed Garden Tool is a durable and reliable solution for gardeners seeking a strong, no-bend weeder. Constructed with upgraded HBW 300 stainless steel poles, it's built to withstand heavy force without bending or rusting, making it one of the toughest weed pullers available. Its 39.4-inch long handle allows users to stand upright while removing weeds, providing relief for those with back pain or limited mobility. With its simple push and pull mechanism, weeds can be removed and placed directly into the included garden bag, reducing mess and effort. The PP grip handle provides a comfortable hold even during extended use. Perfect for tackling dandelions, thistles, and other stubborn weeds, this tool offers a labor-saving and efficient approach to gardening. The Gardtech 45-inch Weed Garden Tool delivers exceptional strength, stability, and ease, ideal for gardeners of all ages.
A tidy, thriving garden starts with the right equipment. Investing in the best garden tool to remove weeds ensures cleaner soil, healthier plants, and less back-breaking work. Enjoy effortless maintenance, improved growth, and a beautiful garden that stays neat and weed-free through every season with minimal effort.